Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Authorize.net events, a crucial aspect of online payment processing. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of Authorize.net events, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, let us understand what Authorize.net is. Authorize.net is a payment gateway that enables merchants to accept online payments through their websites or mobile applications. It provides a secure and reliable platform for processing transactions, managing customer information, and tracking payment history. Now, let us dive into the step-by-step process of Authorize.net events. The process begins with the customer submitting their payment information, such as credit card details, on the merchant's website. This information is then sent to the Authorize.net payment gateway for processing. The first event in the process is the authorization request. The merchant sends a request to Authorize.net to verify the customer's credit card information and check if the funds are available. Authorize.net then sends this request to the customer's bank for verification. Once the bank verifies the customer's information, it sends a response back to Authorize.net, which then forwards it to the merchant. If the transaction is approved, the merchant receives an authorization code, which is used to complete the transaction. The next event in the process is the capture request. After receiving the authorization code, the merchant sends a capture request to Authorize.net to transfer the funds from the customer's account to the merchant's account. Authorize.net then sends this request to the bank, which transfers the funds. The final event in the process is the settlement. After the funds have been transferred, the bank sends a settlement request to Authorize.net, which then updates the merchant's account with the transaction details. The merchant can then view the transaction history and manage their customer information. In addition to these events, Authorize.net also provides several other features, such as recurring billing, customer profiles, and transaction reporting. These features enable merchants to manage their customers' payment information, track transaction history, and generate reports for accounting and auditing purposes. Best practices for using Authorize.net events include ensuring that the merchant's website is secure and compliant with industry standards, such as PCI DSS. Merchants should also test their payment processing system regularly to ensure that it is working correctly and provide clear instructions to customers on how to use the payment system. In conclusion, understanding the step-by-step process of Authorize.net events is crucial for merchants who want to provide a secure and reliable payment processing experience for their customers. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the features and best practices provided by Authorize.net, merchants can streamline their payment processing and improve their overall customer experience.